Hello guys, in this video we are going to see 10 most inbuilt features of the Windows 10 operating system. So what are those? Let us see. First one is the video editor of the Windows 10 operating. Yes, you heard the correct. You can go to the search bar and write down here video editor. It's here. You can start the new project, video project here. You can add video from here and accordingly you can edit the videos. Sometimes you don't have time to download the best video editors. For that way you can use this video editor. It is also good video editor. You can edit the videos here. Second inbuilt feature of Windows 10 operating system is emoji. Yes, when you express things you send the emoji. For example, here in Notepad, you can enter the emojis by pressing Win key plus semicolon. Here comes the emojis. For example, you can express your feelings, crying, smiling face, heart, and number of things you can insert here. This was the second inbuilt feature of Windows operating. Now going to the third feature, that is search feature. Search you find very tough. Sometimes you find the file and it's very tough for you to find it. So what is the reason it's not finding correctly? So write down here search and go to the search settings. Here you have to see, you can see there it's classic. Classic is not that much powerful than enhanced. You can directly click on enhanced. You will see the difference between the classic and enhanced search. Enhanced is more powerful and it utilizes more battery life and CPU cycles, but it gives you a better performance for searching a file. This was the third feature of the Windows 10 operating system. Now going to the fourth one. Fourth one is a little exciting. It's about the phone call from PC. Going here and write down the your phone. Your phone app is the app where you can directly call from your PC. You have to connect your PC with your Android phone or iPhone. Here you can continue and you should have a proper login ID of Windows Microsoft, or you can create it through website microsoft.com or live.com or outlook.com. You can here and then pair accordingly with using the Bluetooth or QR code. This was the fourth feature of the Windows 10 operating system. Now going to the fifth one. Fifth one is event in calendar. Here you can see you can click on any date and write down the event. For example, anything you want to write down here. Market, and you can change the time and location. This is the best feature of Windows 10 operating system. This was the fifth feature of the Windows operating system. Now going to the sixth feature. Sixth feature is the screen snapshots. You can print screen by using a command Win key, Shift and S. You can see here you can select any area to make a screenshot. Either it's a full screen snip. For example, I wanted this area. This was the sixth feature of the Windows 10 operating system. Now going to the seventh inbuilt feature of Windows 10 operating system is the dark mode. Dark mode of the Windows. We usually see the light mode. We first have to go to the color settings. Here you can see in colors. Actually we have to choose here darker color. See, not bad, it's quite nice. This was the seventh feature of the Windows 10 operating system. Let's go to the eighth one. Eighth one is the inbuilt word pad. It's not that previous word pad. Now in Windows 10 it has got some lot of features except one feature, that is spell checking. Spell checking is not here, but you can see there are different things like you can insert picture. You have a different lot of things like in Microsoft Word, but this is also a good feature of Windows 10 operating system. This was eighth inbuilt feature of Windows 10 operating system. Now going to the ninth one. Ninth one is the quick assist. It's like a remote assistance we are providing to our friends or colleagues sometimes. It's same like as a TeamViewer. Have you heard about TeamViewer? Yes, you are right that we can give a remote assistance to our friends or anyone. Just to go to the search bar and write down the quick assist. Here it is. This is a good feature of that Windows 10 operating system. This you have to enter here a code. You get that code from Microsoft, but for that you should have to have a login ID, and after that you will get the code from Eastern. That code you have to give to the other remote PC as well, then you can connect it with that computer. This was the ninth feature of the Windows 10 operating. Now going to the last one, that is 10th feature. 10th feature is storages. Write down here storage. Going to the storage settings, you can see here there is a by default Microsoft has reserved some more space of our hard drives, and we can select it to 0 because we don't need a reserved storage. It usually is required for Windows update, but we can remove that reserved storage. Here is reserved storage. You can see that it has been reserved by about 3 GBs. If you clear it, you can get a 3 GB of space as well. So how can we go to make it 0? You have to go to the search bar, write down the regedit and click on it, and go to the local machine, and then go to the software, and then we go to the Microsoft. Select the Windows here. Yes, it's here, Windows, and go to the current version. After you have to select the reserve manager. Here it is, and then you have to click this shipped with reserves. Its value is 1. You can set it 0, and you can free up the space of about 3 GBs or 4 GBs. This was the last feature of the Windows 10 operating system, which are inbuilt in the operating system. You can use these features. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching. Thank you.